Having trouble with your Hisense TV? Here are advanced methods to fix common issues and get your TV back up and running smoothly. Method 1. Check the power supply. Ensure that the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. If your TV isn't turning on, try plugging it into a different outlet or using a different power cable to rule out any faults with the power source. Method 2. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause various issues. Access the TV settings and check for any available software updates. Download and install the update to ensure your TV is running the latest version, which often includes fixes for known bugs. Method 3. Factory reset. If your TV is freezing, glitching, or not responding, factory reset might help. This will revert all settings to their defaults and can resolve software conflicts. Remember, this will erase all your custom settings and installed apps. Method 4. Check HDMI cables and ports. Loose or faulty HDMI cables can cause the TV to display no signal or flicker. Ensure that the HDMI cables are securely connected and try using different ports on the TV. If the problem persists, test with a different HDMI cable. Method 5. Disable CEC Consumer Electronics Control. CEC is designed to control multiple devices with one remote, but can sometimes cause issues like power or volume not working. Go into your TV settings and disable CEC to see if it resolves the issue. Method 6. Sound issues. Check audio settings. If your TV has no sound or the audio is distorted, go into the audio settings and ensure the correct sound output is selected. Also, check that external sound systems, like soundbars, are properly connected and configured. Method 7. Clear cache and uninstall unnecessary apps. Smart TVs, like computers, can slow down if their memory is cluttered. Clear the cache from the TV settings and uninstall any apps you don't use. This can improve performance and resolve slowdowns or app crashes. Method 8. Test the remote control. If the remote isn't working, it could be a battery issue or an eye sensor problem. Replace the batteries and ensure the remote is pointing directly at the TV sensor. Alternatively, use a smartphone app to control the TV to check if the problem lies with the remote. Method 9. Check network connection. For streaming issues, check your network connection. Make sure the TV is connected to the right Wi-Fi network, and if possible, connect via Ethernet for a more stable connection. Reset your router if the connection is unstable.